In a world where security is paramount, redefining safety for homes and businesses alike, Atom Locks stand as a beacon of trust and innovation. Atom Locks, live for life. In 2001, Mr. Naveen Brijvasi founded Atom Locks with a vision to provide premium security hardware that ensured safety while adding elegance to every property. Over the years, this vision has driven Atom Locks to become a name synonymous with trust and innovation. At Atom Locks, design is at the heart of innovation. Under Mr. Brijvasi's leadership, every product's uniqueness is carefully crafted through meticulous discussions and attention to detail. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing begins with precision. Advanced imported machines handle aluminium melting and zinc die casting to create the foundation of our high-quality locks. Advanced high-press machines strengthen our locks, while precise tools enhance intricate design detailing with skilled hands and modern technology. Each product undergoes professional lacquer and polishing, ensuring a flawless finish. Security is personalized at Atom Locks. Our advanced laser key biting machine generate unique patterns, delivering unmatched protection. To ensure durability, each lock is rigorously tested on computerized machines, simulating lakhs of usage cycles. Our quality assurance team guarantees that every lock meets our exacting standards before final approval. From robust quality checks to ensure packaging, we ensure that each product reaches our customers in safe and perfect condition. At Atom Locks, we empower women from underprivileged communities, offering opportunities for growth and self-reliance. We proudly promote female leadership, fostering a culture of equality and progress. Atom Locks creates numerous employment opportunities, supporting skilled laborers across the nation. Atom Locks is more than just a business. It's a family. With active involvement from Mr. Brijvasi's family, every product is shaped with passion, dedication, and a commitment to security excellence. As a responsible corporate citizen, Atom Locks embrace sustainability with solar energy integration, reducing our environmental impact. From past 23 years, trusted by more than 10 million customers, Atom Locks is a household name across India, delivering security with style. Mr. Brijvasi's dedication and hands-on approach continue to drive Atom Locks forward, ensuring the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. Join us in building safer spaces and stronger partnerships. Let's secure the future together. Atom Locks, live for life.